Hi, I'm Grace. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to ask about prices when you're buying stuff and talk about answers that you might hear. You will also learn how to count numbers from 0 to 99 in this video. Let's get started. So how do we ask about prices in Chinese? You can say 请问这个多少钱?请问这个多少钱? How much is this? Okay, 这个 is this. So if you want to directly point out the things you ask, you can replace it with the name of the things, like the following sentence. 请问这件外套多少钱?请问这件外套多少钱? How much is this jacket? And if the occasion is more casual, you can ask directly, 这个多少钱?这个多少钱? Or the thing, add 多少钱? The things, 多少钱? For instance, 这件外套多少钱?这件外套多少钱? You will hear an answer like 50元 or like 85块 85块钱. Although you might not know numbers yet, it's okay. You could first memorize that 元 块 or 块钱 are the words for counting money. Now then, let's start learning how to count from 0 to 10. 0 0 0 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 5 5 5 6 6 6 7 7 7 8 8 8 9 9 9 10 10 10. Okay, there is an important word that hasn't shown up yet. That is 两 两 is another way to say two. Remember when counting things or people, we say 两 and also 200 200 2000 2000 2万 2万 we pronounce 两. Okay, before we go through 0 to 10 again, let's take a look at the tone of them. 1 3 7 8. They are all the first tone, which is high and flat. 1 3 7 8 0 10 are the second tone, the rising tone. This tone is like you are asking a question. Do you know him? 0 10 5 9 are the third tone. It's called falling rising tone. The pitch starts on a low point, so remember to start with a low pitch. 5 9 2 4 6 are all the fourth tone, the falling tone. 2 4 6. Okay, let's try to count from 0 to 10 again. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And then let's see how to count from 11 to 99. After you know how to count from 0 to 10, this will be so easy for you. Let's start. 11 is 11 11 11. 12 is 12 12 12. 13 is 13 13 13 20 is 20 20 20 30 is 30 30 30 40 is 40 40 40 50 is 50 50 50 80 is 80 80 80 21 is 21 21 21 24 is 24 24 24 35 is 35 35 35 You can use this formula to create any number you want. Okay, now let's practice a bit here. You can try to understand the following dialogue. 你好，欢迎光临。不好意思，请问这个多少钱？那个很便宜，50元。如果你买2个的话，只要80元。好啊，那我买2个，谢谢你。这些总共80元，欢迎再来。你好，欢迎光临。不好意思，请问这个多少钱？那个很便宜，50元。如果你买2个的话，只要80元。好啊，那我买2个，谢谢你。这些总共80元，欢迎再来。After watching this video, if you want to have a handout for counting numbers and do some exercise, then you can go to my Instagram, Grace Mandarin, and click the handout story highlight to find the file and download it. See you next time. Bye!